Hello everyone, and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and today is my favorite day of the week. Me and my little helpers get to pick the winners for our giveaways posted on videos September 1st through September 6th. For anyone new to the channel, we enjoy doing bill searches and coin roll hunts, and we give away something we find from every hunt. All you have to do to enter those giveaways is just watch our videos, comment on that video, and then be sure to watch Saturday's winner video just like today's video to see if you won. So let's go ahead and see what we're giving away today. First off, we're giving away a 1964 Kennedy to someone that commented on our September 1st comment video. Then we're giving away a 1957 Benji to someone that commented on last week's winners video. Then we're giving away a Warman's Lincoln Cent book. It's a folder of wheat cents that is empty except for 2 or 3 wheat cents that we put in there that we found on our September 3rd penny hunt video. Someone that commented on that video will win this book. And then finally, someone that commented on last week's $50 hunt video will win this pair of 1967 Kennedys. Just a quick reminder, if you win, you need to claim your prize within 7 days by emailing me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com and let me know your YouTube channel name. That way we can connect your email with your YouTube name, and then I can shoot you a link so that way you can claim your prize on my website, robinhoodcoins.com. That way you put in your information for shipping, and that way I don't mess it up, and then we'll get it shipped out to you. So let's go ahead and pick those winners. All right, so I went and got both my little helpers to help me pick the winners.
Hello!
And we're going to kick it off with the comment video and the 1964 Kennedy. Little helper, let's see the number of unique commenters. How many do we got?
207.
Good to go. Let's see who that winner is. The littlest helper is going to read it off.
Winner, Jan Lewitt. Jan Lewitt.
Congratulations, Jan Lewitt. Read off his comment.
This spot to comment. Hi, little helpers. Hello.
Congratulations, Jan Lewitt. And don't forget to email me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com. And now we're going to get into the next video, and this is the penny hunt video.
164 commenters.
And this is for the Warman's Lincoln Cent folder.
Sam Art. I love hunting pennies.
Congratulations, Sam Art. Hope you need a folder, or maybe it'll be an extra folder for you. But
230 unique commenters.
230 unique commenters for last week's winners video. The little helper is moving fast on us.
Winner
T
Nichols 75.
T Nichols 75.
Congrats, all winners.
Well, congratulations to you two. You win that 1957 Benji. And the little helper's gotten us how many unique commenters?
262.
No.
226.
All right, this is for the $50 hunt last Sunday. Let's see.
Our son, Beeman. Nicest looking Benji ever. Great hunt.
Well, thank you and congratulations, Orson Beeman. We really appreciate you all. To all the winners, please email me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com to claim your prize.
For the Robinhood Coins giveaway for today's video is this 1967 Philadelphia
And
this 1968 Denver.
a pair of 40%ers, aka 80%er. And as always, to enter the giveaway, just comment on this video and then be sure to watch next Saturday's winners video to see if you won.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos or giveaways. We will see you on the next hunt.